Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Inspector. We're at the Limassol Bitcoin ATMs. So there are two here, and I just want to remind you to there's a link in the description where you can leave your details, and basically you need to put the promo code Crypto Inspector so you can enter a crypto prize draw and get all the news. So as you can see also there are links in the description how you can use them step by step, but I'm here also to show you with my videos how you can do everything. So in today's video, I'm gonna focus, if you wanna get cash from someone who has crypto, if you don't wanna get involved in cryptocurrency and all that, you can do that. And how you can do that? So check the explainer. All right, so once you enter this site, which I'll link that in the description, you can choose from the cryptocurrencies that you can see here, BNB, and the network. You need to make sure the blockchain, the network, is the correct one. So in this case, it's BNB, and it's on the BSC, which is the Binance Smart Chain Network. And here you can add the amount that you would like to basically send the crypto Bitcoin BNB to convert it to euros. So in this case, I added 10, which is generating the address that I need to basically send the BNB. And this is the amount, as you can see here, 0.014811789 is the amount of BNB that you need to send to this address in order to basically generate the barcode later on, which I will show you. So in this case, if you're not familiar with the crypto, you will need a private wallet. A private wallet, you can get it from any broker or MetaMask. I've got a link in the description also how to install, basically set up a MetaMask in less than 5 minutes. And once you have a crypto wallet, a crypto private wallet, or a broker, or some banks now actually they offer this globally, then you will have some crypto, whether it be Bitcoin, BNB, WorldCoin, etc. Okay, and then you will access this link. You will add the amount that you would like to withdraw, as I did here, 10 euros, and I will show you later how it's done. So I'm gonna show you now an example where you can buy crypto with Binance. Binance is one of the most reputable brokers in the whole world. I've been using them for several years, no complaints at all. Just that they dismissed the credit card for Cyprus, but it does exist in many other countries. Regardless, this is just an example to show you. You can do that with Binance, you can do that with MetaMask, with Crypto.com, with so many brokers. Now, if you want to find the right brokers and to know which one is the good ones, then I'll link in the description how to make your due diligence in order to choose your broker. But that's not the point of the video. However, I do have this for you. So now let's jump into how to actually buy, basically convert crypto from crypto to cash with Binance. So as you can see here, this is your Binance wallet. This is how it looks like. You need to go to on-chain withdraw, and then you will choose BNB, and then you will need to scan the barcode, as you can see here. Once you scan it, you'll get the address that you need to send the BNB in order to get the cash. Make sure to choose the BNB Smart Chain. This is the one. And then you need to put the amount that is specified. And after that, you will get it on your screen, as you will see the amount in the 9.99 euros. And then you can proceed to the ATM to get your cash. So because BNB is fast and the fees are not high, there are a couple of cents, which I'll show you later. As you can see here, bam, now the BNB has been transferred to the address. So you can go later to generate the barcode and then you can go to the ATM and withdraw. You just scan it here, and as you can see here down, it's gonna withdraw the amount that you purchased, and down there the cash will come up. Bam. As you can see here, you get the money, And by the way, you need to know the basics. You get also the receipt. If there is no cash, it won't dispense, but do not worry, as in the link, in the description, basically, you can see a link where you can see all the cash on every Bitcoin ATM. You can withdraw up to 990 euros on a daily basis without basically KYC. Once you withdraw more than 990, as you can see here, this device here, the AML, will require you to scan your ID or passport, and then obviously you will pass the KYC and get the money. Now, I wanted to explain to you basics about getting into cryptocurrency. You need a private wallet. I have several links in this video description where you can make your own private wallet without any broker exchange with MetaMask. I explained to you step by step how you can do that so you can get into crypto and use these Bitcoin ATMs and buy and sell. Because as you can see here, in order to buy Bitcoin, it will ask you to send your private wallet crypto address. So how you can do that? So basically, once you have your private crypto wallet, you will select the cryptocurrency that you want. So for example, Bitcoin, and make sure to select the right network. And here, you don't need to type it. You just scan it on the QR scanner, your private wallet Bitcoin, basically, and then it will show up here. And also, when you want to sell the Bitcoin, you can here, the amount that will be withdrawn to you, you just need to, you get this from here, you scan it, you send the Bitcoin here, you check the transaction on the blockchain or on the system here, and then once it's sent and approved, then you will get, basically, you will be able either to withdraw it to your private wallet from the Bitcoin ATM or get it as cash. So stay tuned, as I'm going to be making more videos about the Bitcoin ATMs. There are many Bitcoin ATMs in Cyprus, in every town. In Limassol, as I said, there are 2. In Paphos, there is 1. And you'll see me the next episode on another Bitcoin ATM, explaining you more about that. If you want to know about a specific point, how to get into cryptocurrency, how to make, like, if private wallet is a bit complicated, or there are also hardware wallets, by the way, that you can buy. I'll link those also in the description. Ledger is one of the very good ones that I suggest, and then you can use those. So that was a quick episode. If you want anything that you want to know about cryptocurrency, just drop it in the comment. And Crypto Inspector is out!